Example 10. What sales tax at a rate of 8.5% must you pay on the purchase of a computer hard disk drive costing $257.75? I'm going to do this by proportion. I'm going to point out that the word of is in front of the hard drive disk cost. So we want percent over 100 equals is over of. And what we're really asking is, what is 8.5% of $257.75? Now, we should go ahead and talk about the shortcut on this type only. When the part that goes with is missing, you can just change your percent to a decimal by dividing by 100 or moving the decimal 2 places to the left and multiplying. But that only works when the is, or what is known as the part, is missing. If you know the whole and the percent, then there's a shortcut for finding the part, but that's the only time it works. So you have to be really careful. So I'm going to go with the proportion, which works all the time. I've got an 8.5, that goes over 100 because it's percent over 100 equals the is over the of, and it's after of, and we found what was after of right here. So the 8.5%, and the unknown is the is part, and the 257.75 is the whole, or the number after of. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this an 8.5 out of 100 is x over 257.75. Again, I can do that because a half is exactly 0.5. Let's say we have 8.33%. That's going to be 0.08333333, where this 3 is repeated indefinitely. So you're going to have to go several decimal places to be accurate. If you just go 0.083, you might be off a little bit. So go to at least 0.08333 if that's the case. So I'm going to multiply 8.5 times 257.75. That's going to give me 2190.875 is 100x. Divide by 100. And that gives me my x is 2190.875. I'm going to round it to the nearest penny, talking about dollars and cents. So $21.91. That's the tax. Now that's the answer to the question that we were asked. But if they ask for the total price, as we saw before, you have to take the original price, the price of the item, and add the tax. So 257.75 plus 21.91 gives us a total price of $279.66. So if you're asked for the total price, you have to add the tax back to the price of the item.